Happy Wednesday, Buffalo. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. It's April Fool's Day, and I am so glad, as much as I miss you guys, as much as I wish we were at school, I am a little relieved that we are not at school today, mostly because if we were, I know that I would have to be keeping a lookout for a couple of our prankster teachers. I'm looking at you, Mrs. Walker, up in 5th grade. Also looking at you, Mr. Perkins. Those two, more than anybody, are really good with a little prank. So I am glad that we are not at school today, just so I don't have to keep an eye out on those guys. But it is also Superhero Day. That's why Mr. Morris dug out his Superman t-shirt. A lot of times students will ask me who my favorite superhero is. I usually go with Superman. Sometimes it's Batman, kind of depending on my mood. But more times than not, I go with Superman. And I think a big part of the reason why Superman has always been my favorite superhero. So when I was a really little kid, I used to watch, there was an old TV show called The Adventures of Superman. Now, that TV show is way, way, way older than Mr. Morris's. That show was on in like the 50s. It was black and white for part of its run. But when I was a little kid, they still ran some of the reruns on TV, and I remember watching some of those as a kid. So I have always been a big fan of Superman. So that's why I busted out my Superman t-shirt today. I look forward to seeing all the awesome superheroes that you guys are going to wear today. I'm sure we're going to get a lot of posts for today's Spirit Day. I know some of you are fans of Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, Spider-Man, The Flash, Green Lantern, Black Panther, Captain America. I'm not very good at superheroes. I'm sure there's many, many, many more that you guys know about, and I look forward to seeing all of your pictures. I will put a separate post up for those superhero pictures. But before we wrap this up, I have a couple more Buffalo shout-outs. These are both from kindergarten. So let's start with Alum from Miss Wanko's class. And Miss Wanko just says he's a persistent learner. He puts first things first. He is always ready to learn. Way to go, Alum. We are really proud of you at Beer Bomb. And then the next one is for Liam in Miss Bush's class. Miss Bush says that Liam always helps friends succeed with a smile. He does his best, and he is always kind. Mr. Morris firmly believes that there are two keys to success in life. Sorry, that gets tough to say after you've been talking for a few minutes. And one of those is exactly what Miss Bush said about Liam. Be kind. The other key to success is to work hard, which I know you guys are doing that with your at-home learning. I said this yesterday, but I'm going to keep saying it because it can't be said enough. You guys are doing a great job. Your teachers are doing a great job. Your parents are doing a great job. So keep up that awesome work. Way to go, Liam and Alum. I got just 2 more Buffalo shout-outs that we will do tomorrow. I hope everybody has a wonderful April Fool's Day. I hope you keep your pranks to a minimum for your parents' sake. And I just hope you guys have a great day of learning. Thank you, Buffalo. Make it a good one.